Today, guys, look, Riley's going to get this big girl running. Oh, he's already got the battery out of it. This guy's got some skills, eh? He hasn't seen the YouTube channel, the comments yet, so we'll leave that for later. Nothing. Oh, look at this barn find. Oh, we've got trees growing out of it. When are we going racing? October. No, August. Yeah. So we're taking this big girl. So yeah, we'll have to replace this sign before we go. Good old Roy Oil. Well, you reckon we repaint it as well? Nah, fuck. Push to cush, we'll redo that with Double D. Because it's done, you know, we don't do that anymore. Sad, but it is what it is. We're gonna start this big bitch, aren't we? Now, Riley, will it run? I don't think it will. Alright, grab that side, in the middle. Yeah, and then you chuck her up here. And when you put her down, you put her straight down. You never drag her. Just in case you help someone at the speedway. Now, look at this rusty old girl. She's been here for, what, 2 years? Just sitting out here, collecting dust. That's my elephant penis. Everybody used to laugh at it. And I'm like, you know guys, when you're winning, you're winning. Nah. When you come in second, you come in second, alright? Fuck, she looked bad, doesn't she? Does to me. Look how many bangs that's had. That's been chopped and straightened so many times. Alright, let's get another battery. Alright, we're going to put another battery in, but that's all we got. At least this one's not open circuit or whatever the fuck was going on. Oh, it's the wrong way. Was it hard to get out? Piece of piss. Shoo, big old cheap auto spares.
You want me to turn it on?
I'm hoping my brand new fuel pump's not fucked, eh?
As in, I flipped the switch off to take the battery out.
Yeah, that's right. I'm just, yeah, turn it on. Oof, nothing happened. I squeeze fast. What do you reckon? It's gonna fire? I reckon it's gonna prime a couple of times. Or the starter will just go tink, 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 because it's, as long as we hear, right now you should hear, ee! Uh-oh. You turn it on?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a problem. I even drove it here, dude. We got no fuel. Did I pull a fuse out or something? There should be 2 fuel pumps right now. So, right now, when I hit this, there should be a whoop! The light's on, it means the fuse ain't blown. Alright, what we need, so what we do need, we need a passport?
Yeah, and I think
yeah, I can't hear you on the videos, because you don't have a microphone on. Oh, knocking down the trees. Oh, what the fuck is that? Fuck, big fucking goanna. Nah, it's a big flying motherfucker. Alright. We need to check power. Oh no, it's all in my socks now. Hey guys, it's Riley's birthday. He's, how old are you?
19.
You meant to say like...
6.
Nah, most people say 19 when they're 48,000 years old. So what we'll do, we'll check...
What's the point in lying if I...
11. That's saying 12. You say what's the point of lying?
Yeah, for my twin point.
I don't know, alright? That wasn't a part of the plan. What do we got? 6.
Yeah.
6 volts. So what do you reckon it's going to be?
On the battery.
Do you reckon? What do we got here? So there we got 10.
Fuck, that's a big drop.
10.
Something's drawing 4 volts.
And then what do we got there? We got 10. What else is live? Wiggle that earth while I got it on here. Alright, now wiggle the earth what's onto that, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Alright, we need a bigger battery. And that's on full power, isn't it? Yeah.
It's on.
Oh. That's it. Whatever you're doing there. Try wiggling that end.
Nah,
No. Which one is it? One of them's not.
This one right here, when you go...
Oh. Alright, we're gonna do that earth up. Alright, that's the problem. Not the fuel pump.
That's the terminal right there. So.
Alright, well, should we take it off and sand it? Because they will fuck a day. Yeah, that's her.
Yeah, because it's going up in the air.
So the biggest problem is, guys, when people go and do this stuff like that, they're like, oh, it's always an earth, isn't it, Riley? It's always a bloody earth. Bloody hell. Manning's pies? I wouldn't mind a pie right now.
Look at the frame it though.
Oh, she loose as a goose.
Battery terminal.
We don't recommend to use shifters, but, you know, sometimes you got to use what you got to use. Because we're so far away from all the tools, you know. I don't know if he'd be alright at Speedway. He's a bit slow.
Not a normal spanner ink.
Oh, I never told him that we're in a hurry either. Oh, look how faded this thing is. We'll have to polish her up. Polish a turd. Fuck, a bit rough. Never hit a battery, mate. Especially when it's a customer's battery. 14th time. Locked and loaded. We're going to start this time. His confidence going downhill real fast. He was like, first go, bro. But in saying that, it's not the car's fault yet. Still nothing. Wheel that earth or power? Well, it can't be power. Alright, there's something going on. The fuel pump fucked. I hope not.
You want to check earth on that fuel pump, see if it's actually earthing.
Oh yeah. Good one, mate. See, this is why you get a qualified electrician over. And is he onto it? No. We got earth. I reckon we run a little power wire and just zap it. So I made a video a while ago saying these cheap ones, Aeroflow or the cheap fuel pumps better than the expensive Bosch ones. And I'm pretty sure I put a cheap one. Everybody told me to go cheap. Well, guess what? I drove it from there to here about a year ago, and now it doesn't run. I'd probably blame that's the reason, but
Yeah.
alright. So I'm gonna turn it on. The problem is it doesn't stay on. It's only lasts for like 30 seconds. You wanna fucking
Yeah,
hell.
hold it.
You gotta put the positive on.
What am I filming? Am I filming you or me?
Oh, whatever you're doing. Whatever lights on the fire.
Well, that's touching that. I gotta hold that up. There you go.
Oh, it doesn't have much. Look at that sparkage.
She's hot as fuck.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, if you push yours harder on, you won't get much spark. Must be this one, man.
Don't touch it.
You let it turn up.
No, you took him back inside.
It might be the second pump. This pump should be on. But it needs that pump, you know. Those 8 mils. Fuck off, you dogs. Oh, you dog. Fuck, I hate Speedway. That's why I stopped. He knows I come up with so many excuses why I stopped. It's just the whole fuck around. And then you do all this, and then some fucking ass clean watch out. First corner. Well, we're not really doing anything, but whatever. Could just get a fucking 8mm on a rattle gun, you know. I'll give it a touch up, wouldn't it? Got one of them here.
Yeah, yeah.
And when it's on, say it's on. What? It's crazy, isn't it? Fuck, you're making me edit more fucks out now. Oh, I just said it myself. We got the big Hyundai jumping the big LS. L. Alright, so the big Hyundai i20 is going to start this big VL. Riley said it would start first go, but it was just us being dodgy. But still no going. Still no fuel pump. Going? I don't know. Oh no! I snapped the wire. Go on. This is fucked. Poor little baby. On? Yeah. Only 8.5 volts. That's because I think it's bad.
Shorted.
Yeah. Something's going on. All that for what? Nothing. We can still hear it run. So Riley was wrong. It needs 2 fuel pumps, even though they're new. But we'll just spray some start your bastard in there and see if it runs, yeah? Why not? Who cares, eh? Fuck. Alright, so we'll just undo this, yeah?
Yeah.
Like so. Put it on there, because people hate that. But look how dirty it is in there. Not. Alright, you spray it. Riley's gonna do the honours. Just fill her up. All of it. What are you using? Start, you bastard. Oh no, Lynx. Yeah. Best stuff on the market, eh? Probably stand that way a little in case it does a backy. Yeah, so it would have ran straight away. Just spray it while it runs. No, you just sprayed it. Give it. Give it some throttle. Alright, it's gonna run. Oh. I just wanted to use that can. Alright, well, she'll run when we get the fuel pumps and spend more fucking money, yeah? Yeah. Yay, more money. Well, that's it for the shitty VL. Anybody want it? It's for sale. On Temu, and they said, this is the best dent puller. This is it. So let's test it. They said you can really grab it. So let's see if it works. This is it. So it did say, so it has worked a little bit, not really. It got this little dent here out of. It did say you might need to buy the bigger one. Guys, I think I've been stitched up because I got the bigger one. And it doesn't look like it's got a plunger, but there's definitely more, you can double hand it. So I think there's more opportunities to pop it. So we'll give it a go. Do not buy your dent pullers from Temu. Temu reckons the dent puller works and they want a video of it not working to refund me. So here we go, guys. This is the dent. Can you see it? It's a fairly big dent. I hope I get my 25 bucks back. Oh my God. No way, guys. Bullshit. How am I going to get my money back now?